Well, welcome back. It's great to see everybody again. I'm glad everybody came back for our next installment of what we're going to learn today. And the next thing we're going to learn about is a very, very important tool called CC Intranet. Now, CC Intranet is a wealth of resources and information for you that's going to assist you on your job. So first we're going to talk about is the difference between an intranet and the internet. Well, internet is the World Wide Web, where everybody can access it. But an intranet is something that only us internally can access. So, what is CC Intranet? It is access to Charter's reference information, tools, SolarWinds, and any of the other programs that you're going to use on each of your calls. Always have it open and ready. Check it frequently for updated information in case we're posting different outage information. You're going to be up to date. And provide feedback whenever you find something that may be incorrect, or maybe you have an idea of something that we can add to it to make it better. Always use that button to submit. So what's on CCI? We have our headlines page, we have our workforce management, and then our site search and system search. This is going to be a great resource for you to be able to go in, put in the customer's account number, the customer's zip code, and it's going to be able to pull up all the information that you need right there that pertains to that customer. CCI Get Systems. So, how exactly are we going to pull up that customer? Great question. So let's go in and look. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pull up the search button on our CC Intranet page. And we're going to find the system using the customer's account number or the customer's zip code. And you're just going to put that in, Get Systems, and then it's going to pull up all the next information that you need. Next tab is our References tab. Reference tab is a tab that has a wealth of knowledge on it. I would recommend that everybody do that after the film is done. Take a few minutes and go through that section on CCI. That way you're aware and you're comfortable with where to find it and what information is there for you. So what things are there when you click on the Reference tab? We have our Customer Education, which is our push docs. You can also find those on our KMS as well. Modems and router information. It's going to give you a step-by-step guide to kind of walk through exactly how to assist that customer step-by-step, and you actually get to see what they're seeing. Third-party phone numbers and websites. If we do need to refer a customer to, say, Microsoft or Gateway, this page is going to be the one that gives you the information on what that phone number is. And last one is new products. Anytime we have a new product come out, it's going to be listed on that resource tab as well. What else is on there? Customer education, driver section. That is too, if the customer needs maybe their USB driver, you can email that driver out to the customer. Maybe they can access that email address from work. Also batch files, which is our QCR. We'll get to that a little bit later. Documents. It's going to use text only if the customer has a non-charter email account. Drivers. It's going to be able to in the Ethernet, USB, anything that's going to pertain to their modem. Modem, document, and routers. It's going to pull up, and this is a great resource that I personally used when I was new, is you can pull it up and it actually shows you a picture of the modem and what the lights should look like, and then it shows what the lights are looking like if it happens to be a signal issue or maybe a connected not transferring. Internals for the common routers, including our Charter's home networking wireless router. That way, again, just like the step-by-step guides, it's going to show you step-by-step and show you exactly what that customer is looking at. Resource links. There's some useful websites that's going to give you great information. Step-by-step guides. I've already kind of covered those and pushed those on you like crazy. This is a great, great, great resource. I would highly recommend that you take advantage of that. Our third-party vendor information, again, should we need to refer one of our customers to a third-party software company, that's going to be where you find it. Tips and tricks. Maybe we see common problems, common issues that customers are calling in about. It may be something that we can fix, or it may be just a good article to kind of let you know FYI, here's the type of call you could get, and here's some steps you can do to help resolve it. And then any new charter products that come out, you're going to be able to view it underneath the same section as well. Systems tabs. The System tab is a great resource for you as well. So you're just going to look on the main screen of CCI. You're going to view Systems, and then it's going to bring you down to either choose main or current outages. What you can find on there is system maps and listings, outage information, and all outages. Systems page. What's on the systems page? You can find it's going to pull up this main map. Now you can click on any part of that city, any state that you want, and it's going to pull up information for you. It's going to pull up everywhere that's in that surrounding area. It's also going to give you links to SolarWinds, lead chat, which was actually for your escalation team, CON provisioning, and any transfer numbers that you may need as well. Outages are listed for the entire state. Match up the outage area with the system's name to verify that the customer is actually in an outage. Now, are there any questions? And again, you are probably sitting around a couple of your trainers or people that are assisting you in your transition to the floor. Should you have any questions, feel free to ask them. And I'll see you next time.